Welcome back in this Angular 12 series. Today's topic is Angular project setup. Let's create a new Angular app. For creating a new Angular app, I want one folder. I have already created one Angular folder in our system. Let's open this folder in a command prompt. Select this folder location and write cmd and press enter to open this folder in a command prompt. For creating a new Angular app, I want to write some command. Command is Angular ng new and your project name. Ng new and your project name. For me, it's a first Angular app and press enter. After that, he is asking some couple of questions. Would you like to add a Angular routing? Because this is a demo application, so I don't want any route, so I am pressing no. And after that, he is asking a CSS type, so I am going with SCSS and press enter. It takes several minutes to complete this process. Let's open it. For opening, write cd and your project name. Press enter to move into this project folder, and after that write code dot space dot to open this folder in a visual code. This is our Angular app. So in this app, Angular by default created one component. It's called a bootstrap component, and it contains module file. And here one more important file is package.json file. Here Angular added all dependency related information. Let's close this and run this application. For launching, write ng serve, shortcut is s space hyphen hyphen o to open this application in a browser. Press enter. He's asking some question, right? Yeah. So it's our first Angular app. This UI provided by the Angular CLI. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.